G'day boys, I'm going to take you through what you have to do for your crib design work today. Now just a reminder that the work is found under Learning Without Limits. You go to your name, you go to term 2, and then you go to the My Crib Design page. And on that page there should be a little subtitle like this down the bottom. So it's got term 2 week 4. It's got a place where you can put your updated link, which you'll need to do, and you'll put down the latest picture of your design. So I'll show you how to do that. Let's say this here is your work here. Let's say that's your work there. So do a screen snipping of that. And take that and put it on your page. This is not actually Josh's work, but I'm just pretending. And just don't make it too big. And then put your updated link in. So if you go back to here, that's this button here to get the link. Then to scroll down to here, invite people. I better do it from that doesn't work because it's not my design, but let's say on this one here, if this was my design, which it is, okay, so send to, scroll down on that, invite people, generate new link, copy link, and at that point you can exit out of the window and go back to here and put your updated link in. Now notice here the word edit is inside the link, but it's not at the end. You cannot just copy what's up here. You can see the word edit at the end. That is not the link. The link has to be collected from here. You've got to scroll down, you've got to invite people, you've got to copy link, and then you've got to take it back and stick it in here. That will work for me. And that's what you have to do. Now above, if you do not have this is Josh's work, what he should have had is really this as being last week, which is week 3. So I'd like to see those titles there. But this is what you have to do for this week. Term 2, week 4, your updated link, and a picture at the end of your design, and I'll be able to look at that and just say, right, how much has been added to that design, and I'll be able to give you some advice.